Yo, it's your boy Lee coming at you with some monster stuff. Oh, trust me, it's gonna get louder.
Yeah, it's the boy Big J right here, man.
Yeah, the guy who thought I cheated in Dragon Ball Z. I did not cheat.
So let's get back to these monster trucks, man.
Yeah, this about to be fun. What's good? By the way,
shout out to Rhyme Style and what's his name?
SSA 9K.
Yeah.
Also, shout out to ANCBTL and Dashy.
I saw they fight Dragon Ball Z. That was pretty cool stuff, bro.
Shout out to Dashy, ANCBTL, and Galaxy Gaming.
We're gonna be doing a random battle soon, man. I'm just coming up to you, for real.
Yeah, it's gonna be Naruto. Get your Naruto looking there. Language, I am on YouTube.
My bad, YouTubers.
Don't listen to his cursing. He's one of them.
Hey, bro, they probably can't even hear us.
Exactly. The gig get brighter though.
Hey, but that was pretty cool.
Pretty loud. Spirit ball out.
By the way, this is my second time being here since I was 5 years old. So, you know.
No one cares. This is my fourth.
He's a fucking freak.
I know freak, my boy. It's your boy got swag. You see me rocking the Batman, cause I'm Batman.
Hey, bro, I noticed that I got the little Naruto band on, bro. I had to show off Naruto here, bro, for real. I got people talking about me, but you know, I don't give a fuck, cause I'm Taylor.
I'm Batman. Look at my shirt.
What was that?
I'm Batman. Look at my shirt.
You wear that shirt all the time.
Nice. It's a nice gift. What I say? I don't like the shirt. You gave me a shirt to show me. I'm Batman.
You're not gonna record the whole hour.
No, I'm excited for I should have bought earbuds. I got sensitive ears. I got great hearing. Yeah. I'm immune. Trust me, your boy gonna be deaf for a few hours after this stuff. Oh, and you see, I got the lemonade. Don't worry, I'm rocking myself. Different diets.
That boy Scooby-Doo won.
Scooby-Doo. How are you?
Scooby-Doo.
Whoa, alien invasion pretty good. Oh, I bet it was that glowing one. Oh, congratulations! Jayla, hold it for me. gonna edit that out. So act like you didn't hear it. Do the second leg. Right there, bread shit fail. Okay, I'll stop. Hey, man, right there, bread shit falling down.
I heard you, bro. You lame.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down.
Hey, bro, what if someone would have came called with Goku had like a hero talking to you?
Oh, yo, that would have definitely been my favorite. Goku would have been my favorite.
And Naruto.
What if it was covered in 9-tailed chakra? I would have been dead. No, no.
Hey, someone come in Super Saiyan God.
No, Super Saiyan God. Oh, yes.
Hey, bro, I might have to do this someday. Someday I might have to do this. Come in and thing with Super Saiyan 4.
Next thing you know, you see me covered in with the 9-tailed chakra meal being better than this guy.
I'm gonna crash into him on purpose.
But I'm still gonna win because I'm savage.
We might die, but you know, I don't care. I don't care.
This guy, I'm going to heaven. So yeah. I know he can. Yeah. Sure, I'm not. Well, I'm going to heaven. You're the one who's gonna be going down below. 6 feet.
Hey, you don't have a Joker. You should have had like the Joker from Batman.
It should have made John Cena.
Oh yeah, came in. John Cena.
There's only one person who can defeat Gravedigger, and his name is John Cena.
Dang, they had to go get another one.
Look, dude got stuck. That man eliminated. You can already tell.
He eliminated?
You can already tell. The man's car had to start.
Oh, they eliminated him?
I'm pretty sure. I think they eliminated. I haven't been here for a while. It's been like 3 years.
What are they doing with the car?
Apparently nothing.
Huh?
Apparently nothing.
They not gonna do nothing with him?
Not the car like, I'm all alone with no one here beside. Sound like you, don't it, Brandon? Oh. JK, yeah. Whoa. I don't know. JK, LOL. Look, dragon. See, look, at the bottom, dragon.
So they qualified. So they qualified him?
They like top 5. Shouldn't have said Dragon Ball Z. Just say.
They're not that unique to do that.
Just say it.
Like we are.
Should have been like, go, 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 go here and up now. Don't stop there so much. Okay, I'm sorry.
Or play the Japan version, the real version, which is very nice.
Yeah, that's pretty good. But go, 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 go here and up now. Don't stop.
Actually, that's Kai. That Dragon Ball Z.
I don't care.
You need to do either Dragon Ball or Dragon Ball Z.
I'm doing Kai if I want to.
Dragon Ball Kai is not very.
There's so much to be found. In my berry dog. Crap, I broke my spoon. Go, 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 go. I know James. Wow. I'm too strong for my own good.
Taking out to the Monster Jam World Finals number 17 this March. It's unparalleled, unfettered access to over 100 Monster Jam trucks to park in the pits, and every single one of these Monster Jam trucks out here is totally hard to qualify for that.
No one can show me my monster trucks.
We on there? Are we on there? Get out of here.
Oh.
Click on the Monster Jam World Finals number 17 tab. It'll give you 10. Not only for the new show,
was on it there.
We was on.
She roasted, man. She roasted. I'm the hero of the universe. He real salty right now. Just because he got roasted on. It's okay, because his bars are terrible. Anyway, back to the monsters.
Try me, y'all.
Oh my God, the same every universe. Y'all the heavy cat. Alright, well, I'm exceeding my limit, so I'm gonna have to end the gameplay right here. But don't worry, I'll be right back with a part 2. Looking on the galaxy, the hero of the universe. Bye.